Welcome to the video tutorial section for eHRAF World Cultures. In this video, you will learn how to conduct a search of the eHRAF World Cultures database using the Advanced Search feature. Although the basic search feature on the eHRAF landing page allows you to quickly search for paragraphs containing specific keywords, ethnographers may use a variety of keywords to describe the same underlying concept. For example, although searching for a word like religion may yield many matches, an ethnographer could have used several other words to describe religion, including supernatural, mythology, spirituality, and so on. Keywords may also be insufficient if you are only interested in specific subtopics, such as belief in a god or gods. Fortunately, the Advanced Search feature in eHRAF World Cultures also allows you to search for texts by their assigned subject categories. Every paragraph in every document contained in eHRAF World Cultures has been subject indexed by a trained anthropologist based on the subject category or categories that paragraph discusses, using eHRAF's Outline of Cultural Materials, a standardized classification system for categorizing cultural documents. These subject categories range from very general topics such as socialization, warfare, or religious beliefs to highly specific subjects like arranging a marriage, spirits and gods, and so on. When performing an advanced search using eHRAF, you may search using subject categories alone or combine these with specific keywords or specific cultures. To access the Advanced Search function, click the Advanced Search button on the eHRAF World Cultures landing page. Start by specifying a specific culture or cultures you wish to include. If you would like to include all cultures in your search, leave this field blank. You can see a complete list of all available cultures by clicking the magnifying glass and selecting the A to Z index. If you would like to include all cultures within a given region or regions, click the magnifying glass and select Region. Next, you may specify any subject categories you wish to include. To find available subjects, we can start by typing a word of interest, like aggression. eHRAF doesn't have a subject category for aggression specifically, but it does have categories like aggression training and in-group antagonisms. Alternatively, you may look through all available subject categories by clicking the magnifying glass. Finally, if desired, you may also specify any keywords. As discussed in the basic search tutorial video, you may use asterisks for so-called wildcards. For example, by typing jealous with an asterisk, you will get search results for words like jealousy, jealous, jealousies, and so on. The and or operators between the subject and keyword boxes allow you to decide if you want results that contain one or more of the subject categories and one or more of the specified keywords, or if you want results that include subjects or keywords. Let's go through an example. Suppose you're looking for paragraphs on expressions of love within marriage or as a basis of marriage. Start by typing love in the subject categories box. eHRAF doesn't have a subject category for love specifically, but you'll see suggestions for related subject categories like drives and emotions and basis for marriage. Alternatively, you may search for a broader category like marriage, which encompasses a variety of narrower subject categories relevant to marriage. Click the button that says any one of these subjects to toggle between specifying whether you want paragraphs containing any one of these subjects or all of them. Now that I've entered my subjects, I'll type LOV asterisks to capture words like love, loved, loving, and so on. Because I want paragraphs coded as one of these subject categories that also contain a love-related word, I'll use the AND operator. For even more advanced searches, you may add additional clauses by clicking the plus button on the right. For example, if I was interested in love outside of romantic contexts, I could search for paragraphs coded as drives or emotions containing love-related words and specify that I want paragraphs not coded as involving marriage. After conducting your search, you may also use additional filters to further restrict the results that appear to specific document collections, subsistence types, and so on. For example, many researchers choose to restrict results to only those cultures contained in the Standard Cross-Cultural Sample, or SCCS, a collection of 186 cultures spanning different regions of the world. To do this, click the Culture Level Samples tab and check the box next to SCCS. If you wish to further restrict your search results to those documents referring to the same time and the same place as those originally coded in the Standard Cross-Cultural Sample, you may also use the Document Level Samples tab. For more information on search results, take a look at the video entitled Search Results, Filtering, and Sampling. That concludes the eHRAF World Cultures Advanced Search tutorial. For more information, visit our website at ehraf.yale.edu or begin searching at ehrafworldcultures.yale.edu.